Got this cordless LED work light. What I like about it, this grip handle is super easy to hold and hang on to no matter the circumstances. I love it has complete adjustability no matter where I need it, as well as this hanging hook. So you can either carry it like this or hook it on any available surface. It clicks in nice and tight when you don't need it. It does have both USB-A and the USB-C charging ability. I assume that you could run it off of just these power sources, but it looks now like they are to charge the battery. You do need a Dewalt battery. So I have other available 20 volt, 21 volt batteries that I use on other devices while I'm charging that one, and they are not compatible. They don't have the same connective devices. So you do have to have the Dewalt to charge that while using. You can run it through the USB-A or USB-C, but you cannot charge these or use them independently. It does have the LED lights here, the white or the red, solid or blinking strobe light. They are in a very protective case. Everything feels really durable to me, very sturdy, very steady. This button is for your power on, your brightness, or your contrast. It has this lanyard connectivity if you need to carry it this way, or you can hold it, or you can connect it this way. So I feel like you do have complete versatility, and I do like that it can fold flat multiple directions, or you can keep it nice and straight for storage. As far as size goes, the entire unit is about almost 14 inches, and your base is your 3 by 3.5 or 4. So it's nice and compact, doesn't take up a lot of space in your work or storage area, which I do like. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.